Okay, y'all, so this is gonna be a like a talk through. Normally I do voiceover type videos, but this is such a random video and I want to get it out to you quickly, so I'm going to talk straight at the camera versus, you know, filming and then talking on the microphone and all that jazz. I don't feel like doing all that editing. So anyway, this is the finished product, and if you want to know how I got this like super juicy mega bun, then just keep watching and I will show you how I did it. Okay, so you're going to start with piling your hair on the top of your head in a ponytail like so. Now your ponytail doesn't have to be super tight. If you want to have somewhat of a messy look, you can kind of pull it out a little bit to kind of loosen it up so it's not like 100% perfect. I prefer my buns to be not messy, but not necessarily like super sleek and taut, and like I like it to be a little loose. So if you prefer that look, then you can, you know, just kind of pull some tendrils out and kind of loosen it up so that it's not so tight. So anyway, so this is my hair is on the long side. I would say that this technique will work for anyone medium to long. So you don't have to have long hair to do what I did. It's just you'll probably need more bobby pins and it'll probably take you a little longer. So this bun probably only took me anywhere from 5, maybe more than 5, less than 10. So it might take you maybe 10 to 15, but I mean, other than that. So anyway, you want to fan your hair out, kind of like, if you consider this to be the top, you want to fan it out kind of evenly in a circle. Well, actually, we're going to skip that part. Hold on. I missed a step. Okay. So, the key to my bun and the height that if you saw it on Instagram today, I was like, let me go ahead and film this video while it's fresh on my mind. Lord, y'all, I live next door to a family who has not one but 2 damn roosters. And if you didn't know, like if you've only been acquainted with roosters on television or cartoons,
what's going on here? Well, don't stand there with your beak open.
Roosters don't just crow in the morning. They crow all hours of the day. What time is it? It is 2:26 and these roosters is over here crowing like it's the crack of dawn. Lord, they get on my nerves. I'm sorry. I just had to tell y'all this. So if you hear something in the background that sounds like a rooster, it is. It is. Okay. So the key to my height is I add marley hair. So you don't have to add marley hair. If you have like some smooth braided hair, that'll work too. But I think this is probably like a pack of marley hair, and I just found this like in my drawer earlier today. And basically all that I do is I wrap it around and basically create like a structure underneath that I'm going to then shape my hair on top of, if that makes sense. So this is my hair and I'm wrapping the marley hair around my ponytail, right? So when I finish, and I'm literally just gonna tuck it basically on itself, that is what I have. So you see I have nice height. I hope you can see that because I can't really see it looking at my little screen over here, but I hope that you can see it. But this is the marley hair, this stack right here where my fingers are, right? So I can just, you know what, let me just hop down real quick. There we go. So this is the marley hair. That's what it looks like. So if you plan on wearing this bun for a while, you may want to pin it, but I'm probably only going to have it up for a day or 2, so I'm not going to pin this marley hair at all. But that's what the base of my bun, or the underneath structure that I created, that's what it looks like. Okay, so now let me actually stay down here so you can really see what I'm doing. So I've gotten the structure down, and then I'm gonna do what I started to do earlier, which is fan the hair out, right? So we're fanning, and the point of this is you want to, of course, cover the marley hair or whatever hair you plan on using. So real quick, the reason why I said that you can do this if you have shorter hair, but it's going to take you much longer, is you see right here is covered. So if your hair can at least fall over the Marley hair, boom, that's all you gotta do. But you'll have to pin it a lot more than I'm gonna have to pin it. So as long as your hair can cover this Marley hair, honey, you can get this bun and it'll look basically the same as mine's gonna look. So got a bobby pin, my hair is fanned, and I'm just going to lightly tuck and roll. I'm gonna pin it right there, yeah, right there, and I'm gonna just keep going. Lightly, just tuck and roll, and pin it again. I know you probably can't see what I'm doing right there, but that's pretty much it. Tuck and pin, and now I'm over on this side, and I'm just lightly tucking, smoothing it with my fingertips, and I'm actually just gonna slide that underneath, and then I'll pin it in any areas that I see that need pin. So I'll probably pin it here just for some security, and that is it. So I only use 2 bobby pins, but if your hair is shorter, like I said, you'll probably need more bobby pins, and it'll take you a little longer, because as you can see, I'm basically done. So let me give y'all a little close up real quick. So that is what the bun is. Hold on, let's focus. There we go. So that is what the bun is looking like. Y'all saw live, it only took me like 2 minutes, 3 minutes maybe for it to roll it around and tuck it, and that's it, honey. So that is where the height came from, is that stack of Marley hair that's underneath. And then you may want to, you know, slick your edges down or something, but other than that, honey, that is all we got going on. And I'm gonna try to do more of these videos that are like kind of on the fly, where I talk to y'all versus doing the voiceovers, because sometimes I just don't have time to do all that editing. So be on the lookout for more videos from me. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. Like I said, it's real simple, and if your hair will at least come over, you just can imagine just kind of pulling it over and pinning all over. So you have to be a little bit more meticulous in your placement, so that your hair does cover the Marley hair underneath. But you don't have to have like super long hair in order to get this bun at all. So anyway, that is all from me. I want to thank you all for watching. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, you guys. Like, it takes 2 seconds, not even 2 seconds, like a millisecond. But anyway, that is all from me. Thank you for watching. Mwah. Until next time. Bye bye.